Hi guys, today I'm going to do world's longest tunnel in trucking gun. Anyways, here's my mom. Say hi, mom.
Hi, Brenty. Hi, Mom.
You forgot.
I forgot.
Let's go.
Si Peter po, no, ang hindi masyado talagang maunawaan ng karamihan is how can PhilHealth return a certain amount of budget, which by no means is small. Yeah, billions. And yet, people are complaining na masyadong maliit lang ang nako-cover ng kanilang hospitalization expense.
Okay guys, thank you for watching and like and subscribe.
How does one reconcile this, Doc?
Yeah, like and subscribe.
So bye.